Downloading and installing GetMyDrivers while using Microsoft Edge browser. First thing you're going to need to do is go to GetMyDrivers.com, scroll down to select your Windows version from the dropdown, and then click the green Download Now button. Your page should refresh, and then the GetMyDrivers setup.exe file will appear in the right-hand corner of your browser window. You can click on Open File. You can also click this folder to view the file in your Downloads folder. In this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click on Open File. Now all you have to do is follow the installation wizard, click on Install Now, and the installation wizard will walk you through finishing up and setting up GetMyDrivers on your machine.